guys, so I was asked the question, how do you multiply 3-digit numbers without the use of a calculator? So I thought the best way to explain this would be via video demonstration, but before I begin I just wanted to point out the following. This section here is what we'll be multiplying. So 246 multiplied by 438. This section here is our addition worksheet, and this area here is where we'll be putting the answer. Also, I have highlighted the multiplying factors. The number 4 under the hundreds column is in green, 3 under the tens column is in red, and 8 under the ones column is in orange. The reason why I've used color codes is so that when I multiply 8 and 6, 8 and 4, 8 and 2, the answers will be written in orange in the orange section. When I multiply 3 and 6, 3 and 4, 3 and 2, the answers will be written in red in the red section. And when I multiply 4 and 6, 4 and 4, 4 and 2, the answers will be written in green in the green section. So I've already started the question, but I'll explain to you what I've done so far. So 8 and 6 is 48. So I've written the 8 and I've carried over the 4. 8 and 4 is 32, plus 4 is 36. So I've written the 6 and I've carried over the 3. 8 and 2 is 16, plus 3 is 19. So I've written the 19, and there you go. I've done with the orange. Now moving on to the red. And as you can see here, I've written a 0 in red. Reason being is that now we're in the tens column, we do not write anything in the ones column. So just remember, I'm in the tens column, therefore I'm not writing anything in the ones column, so I've filled it in with the 0 as a reminder. Okay, now let's go. 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. Carry over the 1. Because I'm no longer using the orange, I can cross that out so that I'm not confused. 3 multiplied by 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. There you go, carry over the 1. Not working with orange anymore, so cross that out. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, plus 1 equals 7. Now done with the reds, over with the green. Okay, so like I said before, we're in the hundreds column, so we don't operate, or we don't write anything in the tens column or the ones column. So let's go. Write out zeros. 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. Carry over our 2, cross out the red 1. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, plus 2 equals 18. Cross out the red 1. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, plus 1 equals 9. Okay, now that we've finished that, we can add it all together. So 8 plus 0 equals 8. 6 plus 8 plus 0, 14. Okay. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus 4, 17. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 7 equals 9, plus 8 equals 17. And lastly, 1 plus 9 equals 10. So there you have it, guys. 246 multiplied by 438 equals 107,748. So what are my tips when multiplying 3-digit numbers? Well, first of all, practice your times tables. Especially when you're working with large numbers, it's always good to know your times table off by heart, so then it's just easy for you to run through the questions. And lastly, an organized worksheet. As you can see here, I've used colors to assist with coding and knowing where to write the numbers, but in a test obviously you're not going to have colors to work with, so it's best to plan out your questions well, so that then when you are dealing with it, you can work through it as quickly as possible and you can get the answer, or the correct answer, that you need. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks heaps. Bye.